Dear students, this is e-content for the program Bachelor of Social Work. The subject is Basic Sociological Concepts of the first semester of Mangalore University. The session number is 14. The title of this session is Meaning of Social Organization, and it includes introduction, meaning and definitions of social organization. Let us begin with a recap of the previous class. In the previous class, students understood the importance of groups. The learning objectives of this session are to understand the meaning of social organization and to understand a few definitions of social organization. The expected session outcomes are that the students should understand the meaning of social organization and the students should understand a few definitions of social organization. Let us begin with the meaning of social organization. Some of the early sociologists used the term social organization to refer to societies. Now, here is a list of some of the early sociologists and their opinion or how they have referred to social organization. So, Auguste Comte is one such early sociologist who referred to social organization as a general social agreement or social consensus. Similarly, Herbert Spencer is another early sociologist who referred to social organization as interrelations of the economic, political, and other divisions of society. Whereas Emily Durkheim has referred to social organization as social integration. And C.H. Cooley has referred to social organization as a differentiated unity of mental or social life. The sociologists later on used the term social organization to refer to the interdependence of parts in groups. Currently, it is accepted that social organization is essential for the groups and societies to survive and function. Now, let us have a look at some of the definitions of social organization. Duncan Mitchell refers to social organization as social organization means the interdependence of parts, which is an essential characteristic of all enduring collective entities, groups, communities, and societies. As per Ogburn and Nimkoff, an organization is an articulation of different parts which perform various functions. It is an active group device for getting something done. As per Leonard Bloom and Philip Selznick, social organization is the patterned relations of individuals and groups. As per Louis Western and others, social organization can be thought of as the pattern and processes of relations among individuals and among groups. As per H.M. Johnson, organization refers to an aspect of interaction systems. As per Eliot and Merrill, social organization is a state of being, a condition in which the various institutions in a society are functioning in accordance with their recognized or implied purposes. Let us have a look at the session summary. Social organization has been defined by various sociologists in different ways. These definitions help to understand the meaning of social organization better. These are some of the multiple choice questions. The first multiple choice question says that dash refer to social organization as general social agreement or social consensus. The options are A. Auguste Comte, B. Herbert Spencer, C. Emily Durkheim, and D. C.H. Cooley. And the right answer is A. Auguste Comte. The second multiple choice question says dash refer to social organization as differentiated unity of mental or social life. The options are A. Auguste Comte, B. Herbert Spencer, C. Emily Durkheim, and D. C.H. Cooley. And the right answer is D. C.H. Cooley. The third MCQ says an organization is an articulation of different parts which perform various functions. It is an active group device for getting something done. This definition was given by A. Duncan Mitchell, B. H.M. Johnson, C. Ogburn and Nimkoff, D. Eliot and Merrill, and the right answer is C. Ogburn and Nimkoff. The fourth MCQ says social organization can be thought of as the pattern and processes of relations among individuals and among groups. This definition was given by A. Duncan Mitchell, B. Lucy Weston and others, C. Ogburn and Nimkoff, D. Elliott and Merrill, and the right option is C. Lucy Weston and others. The fifth MCQ says social organization means the interdependence of parts, which is an essential characteristic of all enduring collective entities, groups, communities, and societies. This definition was given by A. Duncan Mitchell, B. Lucy Weston and others, C. Ogburn and Nimkoff, D. Elliott and Merrill, and the right answer is A. Duncan Mitchell. This is the book I have referred to for the preparation of this PPT, and you can all of you can refer this book for a better understanding of this topic. Thank you.